Dude, this is gonna be a fun video.
This is gonna be great. Do we start off with the alligator nuggets, or should you like do a little intro thing first?
I should do an intro thing first. Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up. Today we're following up on this valet trade that was last Friday. We're going to make it just a little special occasion for no particular reason.
A very special occasion.
And it's October. There's 5, we're going to be doing 5 follow-ups this month. So for every follow-up, we're going to be eating a crappy Halloween candy. We got the candy corn to start it off.
There's candy corn in there.
And just because we felt like it, and because I've been complaining about needing some new animals to eat, Adam went out and got these alligator nuggets.
Alligator nuggets!
I'm excited about this.
Cheers.
I think I need to try one.
I've already tried one.
Because you've had alligator before.
I'm going to go with this jalapeno cheesy ranch or whatever
You've had alligator before, so you know what to expect. I'm kind of nervous. It's not bad.
I told you, it's like chicken and fish, isn't it?
I think I'm definitely getting more of a fish coming through.
Some pieces are more chickeny and some are more fishy.
I'm gonna go for the honey mustard.
Yeah, I'm thinking that's where I'm going next too. This one looks like it's got a little bit of fin on it. Like the little ridge on his back. Trying some of that, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. That one's definitely fishier.
Well, that looks a little taily too. I'm gonna try some barbecue sauce. Well, I guess while we're
stuffing our damn faces.
While we're eating alligator meat, I'm gonna look at the comments on that video so we can actually do some following up. You know, you think it'd be good in just some regular old ketchup?
Probably. Everything's good with ketchup.
So I heard from Luke Silverfish, Harry Gary, and DS Craft on that.
Hello, Mr. Kraft.
Luke Silverfish says that a valet tray is in his top 5 lists of projects to make. You need to do it, Luke. It's really easy. And let me try some of this mayo.
Mayo's not bad. I'm going to try the Bobby.
Mayo's a little underwhelming. No, I'm getting a good thing with the mayo.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said it was nice to see how it came out, and he said he's too tired so we can insert our own witty comment.
Never give up. Never surrender.
He would say, Adam, dip that in pumpkin spice. You know he would.
I think my favorite's the honey mustard so far.
Man, I don't know. I really liked that bacon ranch.
Yeah, it's alright.
Let me go back for the honey mustard.
Some of them, it's got like that strong fish flavor, dude.
Dude, I like alligator nuggets. I don't know if they could take the place of a chicken nugget, though.
They are.
I was hoping that they would. No, I'm not seeing that happen.
And they're a little harder to farm as well.
You should come from Louisiana, right?
Who's Lazy Ann?
Louisiana. That's how they say it over there.
Are you sure about that?
DS Craft was admiring the valet tray, but took note of the messy workshop. But full disclosure, that's not my shop.
It kinda is.
I do contribute to the mess.
You sure do.
A lot of stuff in there isn't mine, and that's stuff that my dad is clearing out. So Harry Gary liked the project, admired the simplicity of it, and Gary likes it better than the beer mug. But he says beer mugs still have the best use, though.
Yeah.
You're not wrong, Gary.
You're gonna use it more.
We were talking about how Monday is the worst, and it's earned its reputation.
My Monday was pretty good.
Well, I've had worse Mondays.
I got no complaints other than that stupid ass meaty.
Yeah. That was it for the valet tray. Yeah, dude, I think I'm digging on the honey mustard.
The honey mustard has been the best so far.
It has. Now I keep going back to other dips because I wanna be fair, but
Followed up by the ketchup.
so y'all, if you want to go get alligator nuggets, get some honey mustard to dip it in. That's what we've determined.
Sweet baby Ray. I've only had.
Is there a fish meat that they've thrown in here because alligator's hard to get a hold of? So they threw some fish meat in there. Just
Man, it's easy to get a hold of. They just have to hunt it rather than farm it. None of them have been as fishy as that fucking ridge piece or whatever it was. That was like fish to the max.
Dude, last Wednesday, I asked What type of wood do you want to work with that you haven't worked with? And you ask, what's your favorite dog?
What's your favorite dog? Feel obligated to throw one in there every week now.
So Kevin wants to work with bloodwood. I've worked with bloodwood, Kevin. That's pretty nice. I found it on a pallet.
Bloodwood.
Yeah, it looks like a fishy piece too.
Too bad you're eating it.
Get it real good in honey mustard.
Yeah. I don't know, man. That one piece that I got that was so fishy, it was like, it overpowered the honey mustard. I was very surprised.
No, that was mostly honey mustard that I got there.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe I just wanted a fishy piece.
And gator nuggets are all gone.
Favorite dog? Kevin says maybe a wiener dog.
Wiener dogs are pretty great.
They are. Dude, Gary says he would like to work with bird's eye maple.
Bird's eye maple. They use that a lot on guitar necks.
Now, I gotta be honest, y'all. I don't think I like maple that much. That's like woodworking blasphemy, but I like curly maple, I like bird's eye maple, and all the fancy figured maples, but just regular old maple, it doesn't have much going for it.
Busted into the candy corn now. Oh, I don't know about that.
Yeah, let me give that a
I
shot.
don't know about that. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't know. It has that sort of like, you ever eat like a lemon meringue pie? And there's
Yeah,
that really weird.
it's kind of like key lime pie.
key lime pie.
I think that almost makes it better.
Try it into mayonnaise.
Because I like key lime pie.
Try it into mayonnaise.
Do you not like key lime pie?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it into
Dude,
mayonnaise.
y'all, honey mustard and candy corn tastes like key lime pie.
That's disgusting.
I can't believe it. Now, you don't like candy corn, right? I don't like candy corn. I might be able to eat candy corn this week. Yeah, let me go for the mayonnaise.
You might. You're not gonna like it.
I don't know why we're doing that. It's supposed to be separate.
Well, we're here and it's happening now.
I'm kind of getting the same thing from the...
I'm gonna quit. Yeah.
Gary's favorite type of dog is the neighbor's dog because his son can play with it and he doesn't have to take it for a while.
It's very astute, Gary.
I like that, Gary. I don't like what just happened. Yeah, I'm with you on
Like
that.
puke after a heavy night of like
I need some key
drinking
lime.
Foofy Lulu drinks.
And Gary says after a haircut, he feels like a fancy chap.
As do I.
We're clean cut boys, dude.
Yeah. This is what we meant when we said we'd be making improvements to the channel. We just meant we'd be getting haircuts, actually.
We're just gonna look a little more presentable.
Just a little more, so you don't have to look at our fucking ugly faces. But for some reason, when it's around, you just eat it.
I don't. My dad gets candy corn, and every year when candy corn season rolls around, he buys some. I'll take one. It can't be that bad.
It can't be that bad.
It's
And
bright and colorful.
maybe they've changed something.
And then I try it, and I'm like, no.
No?
And then every time I'm at my dad's after that, I don't touch them anymore. Why are they still in business, actually?
Shit.
Oh, look at that one. It's got a bone.
It's got a dinger.
It's got a dinger. Let's dip the dinger.
Oh, ketchup. Ketchup might be good. I'm not trying it though.
Almost tastes like a Smartie. Luke Silverfish says he wants to work with aspen wood, make cool bedposts or coffee table.
What's fucking wrong with you?
He said his favorite kind of dog is a multi-poo. He said real men have purse dogs.
Whatever you want to tell yourself there, young man.
Jay Mass says he doesn't know what type of wood he wants to work with that he hasn't before. Just any of them that he's never
good.
worked with.
Any wood.
Wood is good.
Wood is good, unless it's toxic.
Jay Mass' favorite dog would be a chili dog with onions and cheese. Yes. I'm having a hard time with the candy corn.
That's getting to where the sugar just coats your mouth.
Yeah. Oh, Alligator nugget helps. He said, seriously though, it'd either be a golden retriever or a pit bull. Don't stereotype the pit bull.
Let's start that time at home.
He says, what does a woodworker do after a one-night stand?
Build another one.
Not a lot of comment action on the valet tray. Am I letting y'all down?
What more do you want from him? We give you us eating alligator nuggets and shit-ass candy corn. We go through a lot for you. Thank you.
Scolded. I'm sorry y'all had to go through that, but now we can move on.
I'm not.
Then, like,
Ugh.
people
think
buy
so.
them. I think people buy them just for decoration.
Like, what is... Like, you gotta kind of wonder what the net profit on candy corn is. You know, like, I feel like at this point the government is subsidizing the candy corn industry. That's literally it. It hasn't been allowed to fail.
I guess the weekly question would be, we're eating candy that's not good. What is your favorite Halloween candy? Candy that is good.
Twix.
Oh, yeah.
Or Kit Kat.
Yeah. It's sometimes you even get a little sealed pouch of like that many candy corns in a Halloween basket.
They're always trying to get you.
Don't do kids that way. It's the government putting that.
It's the government. It tells all of the candy grab bag manufacturers that just have all the assortment of candy. It's like legally mandated that you have to put just a little bit of candy corn in that bag.
Adam, do you have a question?
Which is your favorite haircut?
Oh, hold on.
Let the fans decide.
Oh man, I gotta make sure I ain't got strays. You know?
Also, doesn't he look like the kid from The Incredibles? Dash?
So what's your favorite Halloween candy? Whose haircut is better?
Whose haircut is better?
Thank you very much for watching. I will see you on Friday with a new project, and then we will see you after that to follow up on that project. And we'll be eating another terrible candy. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. What do thumbs ups do when you do a thumbs up?
They help the algorithm.
Click that notification bell so you do not miss a video. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you next time.